Hi, my name's Pam Doneen, and I just finished week 6 of my Nutrisystem program. So I was going to share with you things that I found helpful for me this week and what my takeaways are for the week. And hopefully you'll be able to use some of these if you're planning on doing Nutrisystem. And then of course I will show you what my results are for the week. So first thing I wanted to make mention of, and I made mention of it in a prior video, but I found a Facebook group that is dedicated to Nutrisystem. It has nothing to do with Nutrisystem corporate. It's just individuals that are doing the Nutrisystem program that formed a Facebook group. So I am loving it. And it's called the Nutrisystem Support Group. You can get on there, you can ask a question, and almost instantly somebody's going to answer it. And multiple people answer it. And the support is incredible. It's like people will do before and after pictures, or hey, what's your favorite food on Nutrisystem? And it's just wonderful. So there's that group. Then there is another group I stumbled on that is called New to Nutrisystem. And that's geared towards people that are just starting out on Nutrisystem, more or less, if they have questions. And then there's a third group that is called Nutrisystem Flex Meals. And that is if you're doing one of the programs that they do these meals, they call them flex meals, where you make them yourself and fit them into the program. And I feel like that group will be really important when I do maintenance, because I'll need to learn how to cook and be healthy. And so that group will be good for maintenance. So I stumbled upon 3 groups, and people are so kind and so supportive. I just really am liking that. Then the other thing is keep it simple. Try to make it as simple as possible for yourself to stick on this plan. Nutrisystem does a good job by supplying breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. So it's our job, or my job for me, to make the rest of it simple, because I have to choose 3 proteins, which are called power fuels, and 1 carbohydrate, which are called smart carbs. And so I want to make those as simple for myself as I possibly can. And so what I've done is I've dedicated a drawer in my refrigerator. I have a section in my freezer, and then I have this box in my office. And I keep foods that I'm allowed to have in those spaces. And I keep them separate from the family so that they don't end up eating them all. I do buy extras of that food because my family is enjoying these foods as well. So I buy extras for them and keep it in, the main part of the pantry and the refrigerator and freezer. But the parts that I don't want to have eaten and come to my drawer and go, oh no, my food's all gone, they all know this is mom's section. Better not eat it without permission. And then also I keep a master list. I keep a master list of the things that I can have as far as my power fuels and smart carbs. And that master list is great because, I can just kind of glance down it and go, oh yeah, I have that and I like that, I'll eat it. Or if I'm going to the grocery store, I can go down my master list, and it's getting quite long. I am finding so many foods that I can have as power fuels and smart carbs to make the plan stay interesting and good. And that way I just don't get bored with it, because I can do so many creative things with the Nutrisystem food, plus these extra items that I get to add from the grocery store. So anyway, as far as the making it simple for yourself, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. In my office, I keep my pantry foods just so that I can come in here, know what I have, see what I want. And it's just handy for me. Nobody's going to be playing the piano for a while, but my food is here. I have the Diet Ocean Sprays. This is cranberry pomegranate. I have cranberry juice, tomato juice, you know, just pantry things. And I do have like some of the juices in the refrigerator, and I have my muscle milk in the refrigerator, some flavored waters. But this way I just kind of know what I have, and when I'm going to the grocery store, do I need to pick something up? So yeah, and I need to get my next order coming for Nutrisystem food. A similar situation going on in the main refrigerator. I have one drawer dedicated to just my stuff that I keep separated from the family. And I put a couple apples in here. The main refrigerator has a majority of apples, but I just don't want them to be gone if I want an apple. Like packets of lunch meat, my yogurts, muscle milk, you know, things that I can eat. And then same down here in the freezer. I kind of took over the freezer inside. I'm lucky I have a garage freezer. So I have, you know, my breakfasts and snacks and ice cream bars, you know, just my stuff. So it works out well this way. So I just have a couple more things to show you. I made my free vegetable soup yesterday, and then I cooled it in the refrigerator, and then I put it into canning jars, and I ran out of canning jars, so I had to use these bowls as well. And I'm going to freeze it so that I have it handy. I like having this available when I'm hungry. This bowl I'm going to eat pretty soon. And what I do is I don't put the lids on until after it freezes, because there's nothing worse than putting something in the freezer and having the jars break and then you have to throw it away. So I freeze it, then I put the lids on. So anyway, this will be handy. And then my second thing I made this Jello, which is cottage cheese, pineapple, and the sugar-free Jello. And the cottage cheese is 90 calories for a half a cup and 13 grams of protein. So this is a smart carb. And then the pineapple is 80 calories for a half a cup and it's a gram of fiber. So this is a smart carb. So I did a half a cup of each and then Jello, and then I just mixed it together and it makes this huge Jello salad that I can eat. I mean, I made 4 of them because there was 4 servings of each in the cottage cheese and the pineapple. And then I have this handy. My husband likes it too, so I do share. But when you do the Jello, since you're using pineapple, you do half the amount of water in it. So don't do 4 cups of water, you just do 2 cups of water if you decide you like this salad. And it is a smart carb and a power fuel. So 1 of each. So there you go. There's my quantity of soup, a quantity of my salad. So yes, I want to make it as simple as possible. That kind of gives you a little idea of how I am trying to keep it simple for myself. Just prepping and making sure I have the food in the house. And yeah, okay. Oh, if you could hit the like button if you're getting enjoyment out of this video, and also subscribe and the notification bell. I would love you to follow me along as I post new videos. So yeah, if you could do that, I'd appreciate it. So anyway, let's take a look at my results for the week, and let's go do that now. End of week 6. So let's see how this goes this morning. 129.8, so 1.2 pounds today. So 1.2 pounds this week. Super thrilled with that. The direction of the scale is going down. So anyway, here, let me look at my list and I'll tell you my weeks. So week 1, I lost 3 pounds. Week 2, 1. Week 3, 2.4. Week 4, I didn't lose any, which was okay. I didn't gain either. Week 5, 0.8. And then today, 1.2 pounds. So I have lost 8.4 pounds in my 6 weeks. So I'm super happy. I'm really happy with the program. I'm enjoying the Nutrisystem food. I think it has really good flavor. And then with getting to add 3 power fuels and 1 smart carb a day, you know, you really can change it up and make it interesting. And the veggies, if I'm good about eating enough veggies, I never get hungry. I don't get bored with the program. Really enjoying it, like I said, and my energy is good. I'm not tired in the day. It's been nothing but positive for me. So yes, I'm really liking the program. So anyway, again, if you could do the thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. Have an amazing week. I appreciate you. Thank you.